Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno Ear the Vice, Uno know see a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, a St. Catherine woman who trumped up $60,000 to get her brother killed in a dispute over a 3-bedroom family house broke down in tears after she was sentenced to 6.5 years in prison. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear this here? Wanna hear this, my wisdom warriors? A St. Catherine woman who trumped up $60,000 to get her brother killed in a dispute over a 3-bedroom family house broke down in tears after she was sentenced to 6.5 years in prison. The 45-year-old furniture maker Alicia Rose of Iwatan sought assistance from 2 persons, including her tenant, to get her brother killed and had deposited $20,000 on the contract. My wisdom warriors, mighty God of Daniel, girl, oh you're so wicked. Oh, you're so wicked, girl. Wicked are you? We can't find to blouse and skirt. My wisdom warriors, some family member wicked bad, Then wicked bad, How could she even plan to do such a thing to her own brother? How could she plan to do such a thing to her own brother, my wisdom warriors? Me tell you about these people. Over land, Over land. Hey, between me and Uni, a whole heap of people get KILL, over land, Whole heap of people. And me I go talk to now, my wisdom warriors. Listen, if you know so the land, I go bring a vibes, leave it. Because on life is more important. Life can't buy a shop. You understand me? Life cannot buy a shop. So if you know say the land I go cast a vibes, leave it. You know worth it. You know worth it. No for uno for stop cause over family land. No for uno for stop cause over family land and have uno own a land. Go start from scratch. And that no for uno for do. No for uno Jamaican. Uno love hang on too much on family land. Me nah say if your father or your mother or your grandmother left land for you, for take it, But when me I try show uno say, if uno know say 5 uno, 2 uno, 3 uno, 4 uno, and uno know say the land I go cast a vibes, low it. Me I tell you say low it out because it no worth it when you check it out. It no worth it, my wisdom warriors. Maybe someone will look on it and say, oh, I talk for the press I talk about. But me I tell you sometimes it's good to start from scratch. Have uno own. Uno not if you depend on family land. Have uno own because enough people lose their life over land and then same owner blood take them life. Yeah man. Just like how this a girl here, plot. You can imagine 60,000. 60,000, if you take out him, brother. Hey, you want dangerous girl, listen, 60,000, I should have 60,000 here she get. 60,000 is just the thought of doing something like this, my wisdom warriors. I find it so weird. Like, why would you do something like that to your own brother? You go pay somebody 60,000 and you pay down 20 grand. 20 grand. Hey, my wisdom warriors, Janu. You see a man face, but you can't see them heart. Not because somebody laugh up with you. Not because somebody is there for you and do everything for you. My wisdom warriors say they mean you're good. May I tell you that? We have some family member wicked. You have some family member wicked, my wisdom warriors. Sometimes strangers is better than family member. Enough at the time. Strangers, what stranger we do for no family now do that. And if somebody can war, hey, enough people, enough mother, enough brother, enough sister, kill off them one another, my wisdom warriors. Them suck me no right. So them suck me no right, too bad mind, want it all. Want it all, it can't go so. If mother left land go or grandmother, fi split it up. Fi split it up, man. Uno alone want everything because no for no feel like such because uno alone do everything. No, it can't go so. It can't go so. And as I said, my advice to everybody, if you don't know so the family land I go cause problem, leave it alone and go look on your own. Start from scratch and uno will see how proud uno go feel about uno self. Nothing better than your own, my wisdom warriors. Nothing better than having your own. Remember me telling you that. Nothing better. You understand? You know how it feel good when you can stand up and say, I'm my land that. I'm my house that. I don't know, family land that, you know. I don't know, grandmother land that, you know. I'm my land that and me achieve that. You don't know how good that feel? My wisdom warriors, man. Just follow me. Me I tell you no. Just follow me. Our life is more important. Our life is more important. And me glad how they gear sometime, yeah man. Me glad how they gear sometime but she a ball. She not start ball yet. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think about it and tell me how you feel about it. Hear this. With more than 20,000 customers still without electricity following the passage of Hurricane Beryl a month ago, the Jamaica Public Service is facing a $2 million fine if it fails to meet the 100% restoration target set by August the 12th. In a terse response to yesterday's directive from the Office of Utilities Regulation, its regulatory body, the power company, said it had set itself that deadline and has been working towards it. When I hear them something, you know, and honest, the way I love money, the way all the government of Jamaica love money, the amount of money them get is still not enough. The way all the man love money, the man said them a go find JPS. Them a go find JPS if everybody not have on light by the 12th of August. The same hypocrite them will come out and did a defend JPS. Me tell about them, my wisdom warriors. You can imagine them same one did a ball out and me just try show no the hypocrisy within the JLP party. Me just try show no something. And them same one ball out and so we feel leave them alone. We feel leave them alone because them a work tireless. You understand? And when PNP a lick out against him, JPS, Jamaica Labour Party take it up on their head and come in a parliament and cuss and go on the most way. And go on the most way. Me call Daryl Vaz a contact say Philip Paul will not have no right. Hey, me I tell you about them a real hypocrite them. Real hypocrite. But you tell me if JPS really, you know what? I don't know. I don't know why they want to fine JPS $2 million. I don't know what is wrong with the government. Before Andrew Owens go come and explain to the people them about the money and how the money a go. Look from when Beryl come and gone and all know nobody no get no money. Now him come out and run off him mouth say from Monday people are going to start get payment. So him say, my wisdom warriors, remember say a promise is a comfort to a fool. So when the Jamaican people don't sit down and think so now get 400,000. Andrew not depend that. Andrew not depend that because if you no zinc come off on the house, you think say Andrew unless I go give you 400,000. It depends on the damage of the house. It depends on the damage of the house. And let me tell you no friend now, if no MP no come running in the area and you never see Andrew and nobody no come look pan you not get no money, so you can't stay there. Anyway, hear this.
Since the passing of Hurricane Beryl, I would have thought that the government would have sent some assistance to the municipal corporation that we could assist these poor residents who are suffering in most instances. But to date, we have received nothing. While we know that the members of parliament would have received a $5 million allocation that they could do some things, to date, councils have not received any funding. So we are here now, have to be trying to find ways of means to get to our citizens. And it is really hard. We're suffering. So I'm calling on the...
My wisdom warriors, when you hear what the councillor of Eastern Hanover just say, when you hear what the councillor of Eastern Hanover just say, my wisdom warriors, the people, they not get nothing. The municipal corporation didn't receive anything to give to the councillors them, so the councillors them can help the people in the community. And this is a crisis we're going through. This is a crisis, my wisdom warriors. This is what I'm talking about. The incompetence of the government. He cares zero. He don't care about the Jamaican people. When will you guys realize? When will you guys realize and rise up for Andrew Holness? Andrew Holness will come out of parliament. You think a joke thing? You not waste time. You not waste time, Jamaica. There is no more time to waste. You can't imagine from the 3rd of July and all know the municipal corporation they don't receive no money. And the question when I want to ask, why is the MP them a get money? The MP they not forget no money. The MP them not forget no money. You understand? The MP them not forget no money. And as far as me see, the PNP councillors them not getting anything. And this is wrong. And when una go realize Jamaica say Andrew Holness not care about uno. When una go realize, una make this man come on public platform I tell una pure crap. I have some little labor right did he defend Andrew Holness. You know what? Me I go show uno some comment when me see under this. Yeah, because this councillor from Eastern Hanover, yeah, he was talking about how, the government is not helping and so forth. Una can't imagine labor right come underneath. Me I tell you no. You see, una labor right, we come on social media, bad up with no finger. Me say me want it for reach uno underneath on dirty skin. I want it for reach uno. When enough people are got you right now. Remember, today for me, but tomorrow for uno. Uno is a one set a drunk crow uno labor right. Yes, uno will come on social media and a bad up on a finger. My wisdom warriors, hear this. Sweet 293_royal say, after you people disregard the Prime Minister Emancipation Day message, how dare you? Wanna hear them the something here? Labor right. From the 3rd of July, when was Emancipation Day? All you sweet 293_royal. You see, someone don't forget a conking on the forehead. Seriously. You know no sense. No for a fool, boy. Yeah. No for a fool. How dare you come out and attack something like that? When was Emancipation Day? When? And when did burial come? From the 3rd of July. You say Andrew Holness not care about the people and you see him labor right and live in a denial. Uno shame like dog and drunk crow. Yes, uno set a labor right where they are a bad up on a finger upon social media. Uno is a worthless set of people. Uno is an enemy of progress. Uno don't love uno Jamaican people. My wisdom warriors, me tell you something. And everybody who say them born at Jamaica means that they love Jamaican people. Me learn that. And not everybody. It's not everybody. For a long time, we all know that enough of them are prejudiced, boy. Yeah. From long time. From long time, my wisdom warriors. So guess how when me see some of them come out in a chat, yeah, me have to say, boy, me have to just shake my head and me say, I pity you. Yeah, me have to say those words. Me have to say, I pity them. Seriously. Can you imagine? The people them is going through a tough time right now. Same thing Andrew Holness do with them with the water. Same thing Andrew Holness do with them with the water. On Jamaican sit down and do nothing about it. You need to get up, man, and rise up, man. You need to rise up for your brothers and sisters because they are going to come when it are going to happen to you. And you are going to wish people rise up for you. So you need to come together. You need to unite because this behavior is unacceptable. It is unacceptable. I mean, I see nationwide I carry them a news here. But when it comes to my golden dual citizenship, I eat them a carry. Me at for them, my wisdom warriors. Me really at for them. Me really at for them. Because these are the things. For sure, you say Andrew Holness not care about the Jamaican people. He cares zero. And then you have his followers out here talking about, how dare you and what? After Moreland, Wilson, whatever him name, him come with him dirty behavior. Him come with him dirty behavior. I'm telling you something. Yeah? From Hurricane Beryl, the people, they not see him. The people, they not see that the MP there. The labor right not see Moreland Wilson. They not see him. So I don't know where you come out and beat up on your tongue for. You labor right. You don't know nothing. Because you don't live in Jamaica, that's why. You don't know what the people them go through, that's why. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this. And tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. I want to run over to my TikTok, the X, and the IG. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.